Hi friends! Welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can reboot your iPhone without the power button. Please subscribe to our channel. Also, do not forget to put your likes and write comments after watching the video. So let's get to our topic. And first, I will show you the simplest and most common method to turn off or reboot your iPhone, which I think many people know about. In order to turn off or reboot your iPhone, you will need to press the top sound boost button as well as the power button. At the same time, if you press those buttons, you'll get a screen like this, where at the very top, if you drag this red button to the right side, your phone will be turned off. And in order to turn your phone back on later, you just have to hold down the power button. If for some reason, for example, you don't have a working power button, or for some other reason you don't want to turn off your iPhone this way, then there are two other methods. I'm going to show them to you now. To do this, you need to go into your phone settings, then we scroll down and go into Basic. Here we swipe to the very bottom, where we find the shutdown function. And as you can see, we get to the same page where we need to drag this button to the right side in order to turn off our phone. But I don't recommend using this method in case you don't have the power button working. Why? Because in this case you will not be able to turn on your phone, because to turn on the phone requires, as I said, a long press on the power button. What to do then? Then there is another method. Also, in the settings of your phone, you will have to swipe down to go to Special Features. This is where you select Touch. And this is where you select the very first Assistive Touch feature. So what do you need to do? First of all, make sure that you have this feature activated. When you've activated it, you'll see a button like this that you can move around the screen wherever you want, first of all. Secondly, you'll be able to customize it. As you can see, there are different touch settings here. For example, double tap on the button, long tap, normal tap. And for example, if you choose long touch, you can find reboot here. And now to reboot the phone, you'll have to long tap on this button. And as you can see, now the phone asks if we want to reboot it or not. And if you want to restart the phone, then you press Restart. And then the phone will turn off, and then literally half a minute later it will turn back on. This feature helps to turn the phone off and also to turn it on in case you don't have power button working. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. You have seen several methods how you can reboot or you can turn off your iPhone without power button. Please put your likes, write your comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.